So let's assume we draw a thing. We draw a shape, rectangle. Sorry, I didn't come out. Draw shape, rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Okay. Then once you draw this one, you need to assign to a color. For example, red, because that is a layer. Then you in this layer option, then you have the red layer. You need to decide what to do. First is output yes, otherwise it won't do anything. Then you have the nothing to nothing. Then is the spindle or is the oscillating blade. Then we go advanced. And true angle is when you have a blade, you have angle. This angle. Normally on there it will say 16. Then overcut, normally starting we set 0. But the ending we add some, normally more than half of the width. Then we talk about the width. The width is this one. This is the width. And this is width also why 6.3 is because this one is 6.3. You have to find 16 in the box, it says so. Okay. And then why we have a little offset is because blade have thickness. So you want to offset that blade thickness so your cutting size will be correct. Like this blade is 0.5, so we offset 0.5. And then why it's overcut a little bit extra. Later I will show you, we want to over this blade with a little bit more so we can cut through. And then this machine, the z-axis is actually at the bottom. So this thickness is less important. You can keep like that unless it's a very thick one. Okay. Once you decide anything, I didn't want to click this. Then you click the create file. Then it will generate a file for cutting. Before that, you are also change parameters. Most of them don't need to change. Actually, all of them do not need to change. But you can see the starting point bottom left is familiar with the router. We always the bottom left is same like this. Okay, so I didn't want to click this. Okay, create file. Then another thing is coordinates, where you want to start it. Okay, before that, we can actually check the processing parameter. This is our speed. Vibrating live, they have a processing, maximum process speed. I changed it to 3000. It means 3 meters per minute. This is currently the speed of cutting. If you want to change the cutting speed, you change it here. Okay, then we go coordinates. For white splitting blade, you change these 3. This is X, is a word that if you come turn to that side, you can. This position, wherever this is, X, Y will be the position of this XY. That is starting point. That is your job starting point. You are starting here. And the Z-axis Z. Z actually is, if we go to the machine, the Z-axis is when this one goes down, eventually touch the mat. Because the different blade, you change blade, this value gonna change. When it's touching the mat, that is Z. Actually, you want to even further at 2 millimeters, so it can cut into the mat, 2 millimeters. Okay. So currently value is about 138. That is able to cut inside. So if we want to start, we just press start. Let me pull the board a little bit. Okay, now let's just before we start, different move position that we have something there. You can change it like this. That's if you decide that point to start. And then you can change X. You can either type it or just load the current position. It will be the current position. Okay. Then it will be the starting point. Now I'm going to press start. You can see everything starting. This one going to down. We hold a little bit. It's all cutting. Okay, now you can see it's cutting the square we just designed. We're gonna cut a circle again, then we're gonna explain to you the difference of cutting circle and cutting the square. So let me instead of this one, let me delete this one. Then I draw a circle. Okay, of similar diameter, also put in the red. And then the layer option, not supposed to change. Let's just keep. We create file, remember. Then we press start again. We're gonna press start again. You can see they're cutting the circle and cutting the square. The circle do not have the extra cutting, but the square have extra cutting. It's because the blade itself have a very big weight. So you cannot really say go like this, then turn 90 degrees. You're gonna make this cardboard damage. You have to lift it up. So the machine will see when there's an angle is always lift up and trying to turn. So for example, you can see this little TikTok logo. For the curve part, there's nothing really extra cut. But for all the corner, you can see there's extra cut because they have to have a space for the blade itself. Okay, basically that's everything about the startup package for the people able to use this machine.